Hello 5th class, this is page 137 and we're looking at question 5 part B. So I'm adding all those numbers together in the brackets, and then when I've added them together I'm going to multiply by 8. But we can't add different kinds of numbers. This first one has fraction, this one is just grams, and this one is grams and kilograms, so I need to make them all the same sort of number. So I think the best thing to do is to make them all kilograms, and I could use decimal for that, that's not so hard. So this one is going to be 6.532, and that's now kilograms. And this one, if I put a decimal instead of the grams to make it kilograms, there's my 7 kilograms, 0.278. That's now also kilograms. And this one over here is going to be 5. There's my 5 kilograms, 0.166. So now they're all kilograms with a decimal. Now they're easier to add. So 8 and 2 is 10, and 6 makes 16. Carry my 1. 7 and 3 is 10, and 6 is 16, and 1 is 17. Down the 7, carry my 1. 5 and 2 is 7. 8, 9. My decimal place, I've got 3 decimal places, so there's my points following through. 7 and 5 is 12, and 6 is 18. So when I add those 3 numbers together, I've got 18.976, and now I'm going to multiply that by 8. So I've got 18.976 times 8. And this is going to give me an answer in kilograms. So 6 times 8 is 48. Down my 8, carry the 4. 7 times 8 are 56, and 4 is 60. So put down the 0, carry the 6. 9 eighths are 72, plus 6 is 78. There's my decimal point, my 7. 8 times 8 are 64, and 71. Put down my 7. 8 ones are 8, and 7 is 15. So my answer is 151.808 kilograms. That okay?